Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. This is a 180 gram chocolate bar, and taking a look at the details and product information at the back of this chocolate bar. There's of course the product information, as well as ingredients list and nutritional information. And just to give you some idea of the size of this 180 gram chocolate bar, resting it in my palm. And now let's go ahead and open it up, but of course peeling open the packet wrapper to reveal the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. And there's some further information on the underside of the wrapper. And just setting the wrapper to the side. And taking a look at the foil packaging. And let's peel it open to reveal the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. And let's see if we can find the edge of the foil wrapper. And peeling it open. To reveal the 180 gram chocolate bar or block. And taking a close-up look at this chocolate bar and its details. You can see it is rectangular in shape with uneven chocolate pieces, or at least a non-uniform shape with many oddly shaped segments. And taking a further in look at the details of this milk chocolate bar, and of course the Tony's Chocolonely branding. And now let's break off a piece of this milk caramel sea salt chocolate bar. Let's break it off from this end. And of course take a look at the underside as well. But let's take a look at the cross section. So right there, getting the camcorder to focus on the pieces right there, so you can see what the cross section of this chocolate bar looks like with its caramel and sea salt pieces. And of course taking a look at the back side of the chocolate bar as well, or underside, we can see the very large pieces of caramel in this chocolate bar. And now let's go ahead and taste it. So I'm going to break further a smaller piece, even though it's actually not that small. Let's pop it in my mouth. And I'm not sure if you could hear it, but you could hear those crunchy pieces of delicious caramel pieces being crunched away in my mouth. It does have a nice, consistent and smooth texture, not too creamy, but a nice balanced flavor profile with a nice even amount of milk chocolate, along with that sea salt, which is very fine and light tasting, and of course the caramel in it as well. So giving you another look at the bigger block part of this milk chocolate bar. Let's break off another piece so you can see what it looks like in the cross section again, with those large pieces of caramel in it. And just going to pop that piece into my mouth for another taste. So once again, that very nice and smooth finish of this chocolate bar. So that's the Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. Thanks for watching and happy eating!